So guys, hi to everyone. How are you? I hope you can hear me well. So we gonna get started now. I hope you're all ready. Sorry for the delay for like 5 minutes, just because I was trying to. Oh, sorry, I hear myself. Just I was opening the pocket option, the chat, then the live stream and everything. So it took some time. Hello. Hi, is there anyone here? Yes, is everybody already? Hello, everyone. Um, how is your mood today, guys? Let me know. So, wait a second. Just gonna up out like this. Just gonna go to my comments as well and the live stream. So today, guys, is the time for the test trading session. Hey. So, guys, important. You can follow trades signals only from Telegram, because on YouTube it's a big delay, but here you can watch all of the process, all of the trading session in live time. Okay, I'm gonna pin it. So now I'm gonna send you the settings for opening the trades, guys, and we're gonna get started. So, as you know, we made a pretty good result for this month of like 21K or something. So today I withdraw it. I'm gonna post it after in the channel also. So we already start from $500. Yeah, not from the start of the next month, but from today. Why not? Because I think it's already pretty good. And now, yeah, in the end of the month, it's better to trade really carefully, because in the end of the month, it's always a lot of the news. And I was telling you also about the news that coming right now from US that also can affect the market. So that's why it's really important to trade carefully in these days. So we will have a consistent result and can finish the month without any problems. So firstly, we're gonna set up the settings for opening a trades, guys. I've recommended to use only 1% of your deposit. Time of the expiration is 3 minutes. Okay, three minutes. So here it is. I'm gonna send it now in the chat. Then, as you can see here, chart types is candles and time frame is aim2. Here it is. After, I'm gonna check it out the currency pairs for opening a trade, and we're gonna choose something from here. It would be good to find a currency pair in the real market, but it's not. I'm not that sure that we can find it with a good also payout of like 92% or something. So we're gonna check it out, all of them. I spent actually a lot of time to finding the best currency pair, because it's pretty important. Because we need to find a currency pair with consistent upward or downward trend, so we will not have any problems of during the trading session. So now I'm looking for the currency pair. You can just get ready and choose all of the settings that I send you in the chat. So guys, again, you follow the signals only from the chat in Telegram here in my channel. But here on the YouTube, you can see all of my trades, how is it going, where I click and everything. But you don't need to follow the trades from here, because it's still gonna be the same, but it's gonna be with delay of like 15-20 seconds. So that can give you, oh, it's a pretty good one. So that can give you a delay as well. So it's better not to risk like that, okay? It's pretty good currency pair actually, but we need to be more sure that it's gonna be a reversal here in the upward direction. Okay, here's not the best one. Okay, I'm checking. That's how I'm checking all of them. Okay. Okay, here's pretty good currency pair. It was a really consistent and strong downward trend before, so now it's already time for the reversal. We can see a few big green candles on the chart confirming that, so it could be good to open a trades in the upward direction after here, as you can see. So yeah, and we can see by the previous movement of the chart that it was pretty confident and consistent, so it's really good. So I'm gonna ask you, you ready? You need to answer yes or no, and we're gonna trade. Okay, guys, I'm waiting for all of your votes. It's really easy. You can just text here in the search to see if this currency pair to find it. You don't need to do it by your own hands. Okay, I see your votes, guys. I see your votes. So here on 1 to 3, we're gonna open a trade up. Be ready. Up for 3 minutes. So I'm sending a signal and I'm opening a trade right away after like 1-2 seconds. So that's how all of the people also has the time to open a trade. Because like if I will open a trade first and then only send you a signal, of course you're gonna have the delay. But like this, we don't have any delay, and you get a signal and we open a trade together after 1-2 seconds as I post the signal. I think this is pretty good strategy, and I already tested a lot of time. You're saying 92% on all of them. How come on ours it doesn't say that? It's only because of the level, guys. If you have a lower level, as you can see, for example, for this currency pair, that's just a gray color, it's not changing. For example, on the currency pair that we chose now, it's also not changing. It's for everyone 92%. But for some of the currency pairs, as we can see, it's increased payout up to 4% because just of my level. But I didn't choose the currency pair like this. So the payout, you also have 92%. So let's wait. Here we got some corrective candle, but we still have a time. So let's wait here. Hey, everyone, first time here, guys. Okay, perfect. Welcome. Hello, guys, a good follower from Kenya. Okay, nice. She was drawn. Yeah, I was drawn. I already said about that. Another glorious day. Back again, Lisa. Oh, nice to see you here. Remember, I'm watching your live. Yep. Hope you're having a good day. I hope you're having a good day, guys, too. Say hi if this leave. Of course, this is live, guys. You can see it all by the also time and everything. You can open the same currency pair now with me, and you can check it out that this is the same. Lost. What do you mean lost? If the trade is still on the is still going. Yeah, we can see some reversal here, but we still have 1 minute and 5 seconds. Let's see. It was pretty consistent start of the reversal in the upward direction, but we can see here some red candles appeared on the chart when we just opened a trade. It was pretty unexpected. So let's wait till the end of this trade, but we're gonna check it out some other ones. So we can see now it's not that many. Okay, it started reversing a little bit. Still not that strong. As you can see, it fluctuates a lot here. Okay, let's check it out something else as well. Because here it's kind of either it's just a corrective candle or it could be the continuation of the downward trend as it was here, but I'm really not sure about that because it was already a downward trend for a pretty long time. That's interesting. Okay, maybe just the support resistance levels, here changed. Now it's the resistance, now it's the support. And if it's like that, actually, it's pretty bad because we're pretty close to the support level. And as we can see, it's fluctuating a lot. It's not the best one situation for now, even though before it was pretty great. So let's check it out some other currency pair. And now the payout here already 77%, pretty bad. Okay, let's find some other currency pair for opening a trade. Here is pretty good downward trend, but it can change also at any moment actually. So let's check it out. Euro cat also not that bad, but not the best. Here's also a lot of the fluctuations. Here's pretty good start of the downward trend, but also can change at any moment. I don't like too many fluctuations there. And volatility. Euro slash ruble could be the start of the downward trend, but not that strong yet. Euro slash USD. Okay, not great at all. Broke the previous resistance level, but can also reverse. Here's no, definitely. Well, not that many currency pairs for now. The good ones, I mean. Okay. No, not really that great. Yeah, as you can see on the previous one, it started fluctuating again in the upward direction already. Euro slash GBP OTC, not that bad. Here's too strong upward trend that can reverse at any moment. Here's at least we have some support level that we didn't achieve yet. So let's choose this currency pair. Okay. You ready? Yes, no. So guys, please vote. 4 minutes. Change to 4 minutes. We'll wait for another candle here. Okay. Be ready. I need to waste the time here. Okay, I open a trade. If you all did it, I'm sending you a screenshot. And let's wait here. We can see it's pretty consistent. Already downward trend. It's not just a fluctuations or something. It was the upward trend before. It's achieved its resistance level, creates a new one. Because before it was here, for example, it was here, but it broke the previous resistance level, went higher, creates the resistance level here and start going in a downward direction. Now the previous support level was here, then here, then here, so it can, this is pretty strong support levels we can see because the price was touching it a lot of times. So our price can go till this level, for example. Of course, it could be some different fluctuations and corrections, and that's why we took here more time of the expiration. So in case of that, our price will still have a time to reverse in the direction that we need. Lost first trade, lost well, me too. Me too. You could see that on the chart. I'm not I'm showing you everything, but as you could see, it was unexpected downward correction there, because as you can see here on the first situation, it was a really consistent downward trend, and by the previous also movement of the price, we can say and predict the future movement of the chart, but it's still not guaranteeing us for 100% this kind of the signal. So we can see it was a pretty consistent downward trend. It creates new support level. It broke the previous one here and started reversing in an upward direction. We can see the first green candles was pretty long ones. The resistance level is here, right? Also the other one is here, but after we opened a trade, it immediately reversed in the downward direction. It was pretty unexpected. So that's why I'm always telling you also, guys, to use 1% of your deposit only. If you're still not sure, you want to test it out, everything, you can trade in the demo account. And also, we cannot predict the future movement of the chart for 100%. We're not Harry Potter or something. I was just watching Harry Potter recently as a movie, and we're not a magician to predict everything. Even them in Hogwarts, as a magician, they cannot predict everything. They cannot see the future, even though they're a magician, So we are definitely cannot do that. Even using all of our analyzing skills, technical fundamental analysis, it's still impossible to predict the future for 100%. It's impossible. Trading Queen Lisa, thanks so much. Do you offer mentorship? No, I don't do this. I do it all for free. I mean, like, if you have any questions, you always can text me. I can help you. I can show you what to do. By the way, the payout already 64% here. But when we opened it, it was 92, so it's good. Now we have 1 minute and 7 seconds till the end. It's pretty good. Also fluctuating a lot, but now we're in the plus. So let's wait. Minus 6 points. Okay, let's wait. So yeah, if you have any questions and everything, I don't do anything for. I don't have any paid products or something. If you have any questions, I'm always happy to help, just like this, without asking anything. So it's 40 seconds for now. You can see it here in real time. Also, open price, current price, difference, open time, closing time. Okay, let's wait 30 seconds. Start reversing in upward direction at the last seconds, as you can see. My God, we're in the plus. Today market is not on our side too much, as we can see. I'll start reversing it upward direction. Okay, we changed to 3 minutes. Let's check it out what is going to be here. Maybe it's a new support level here created, because we can see shadows here in the candles. It's pretty small body here, also showing that the sellers may lose their power, but at the same time it could be just a corrective candle. So let's wait here. I'm just checking on the different but the payout here is 71% again. Every time we have it, on the currency pair for today, boom, and it's changing. Euro slash cat is not that bad. As you can see, it was a pretty good downward trend before also, then the upward trend, but now it's a lot of the corrections as well. Here's pretty good. Also could be a good start of the upward trend, so let's change it. Yeah, today the market is kind of going really, really difficult. But we change the currency pair. As we can see, also the volatility is kind of crazy because of the news today. Be ready. Okay, and I'm sending a signal and I'm opening a trade. Okay, we open a trade. Here, as we can see, it's pretty good downward trend. It was before pretty consistent. It creates a new support level. Before, the support level was here, as you can see. It's price tested it 2 times, but after the price broke this level and created a new support level, a new minimum, and after it started reversing from this level, we can see it's pretty big green candles also appeared on the chart, showing the power of the buyers. But for now we have a red candle here again. I hope it's not gonna repeat as before, but as you can see, it's also pretty small. It's fluctuating, so it's showing that the sellers cannot go lower. So let's wait. It's 2 minutes and 8 seconds. I decided to take here 3 minutes because of 4 minutes it was like the previous situation, like we were in the plus, but in the last seconds, because we used too much time, we didn't close the trade. So let's wait. Now it's reversing, as you can see. When do you know when to double on a trade that's already going? I don't use it too much in my trading. The double ups, you mean probably this, right? I don't use it too much in my trading session, and I had the videos about the double ups, and I was saying there that I'm not using it too much in the my trading. in my trading sessions with the subscribers or when I trade by myself, because it doesn't make any sense. I mean, like, of course, if you want to make more profit, maybe, but at the same time, it's riskful and you need to be ready that you can lose this money. But I'm not ready, for example, for this, to again returning it back and everything. It's like a roulette a little bit, like this double up and everything, because you will still open a trade at the different already entry point, but you will still have the same time of the expiration. So maybe you will not have enough time and you will lose two of the trades, so this is additional risk that you don't need in trading, because you already have a lot of the risk actually. Like, you can use it when you're really really sure about that and you want to try, why not? But at the same time, oh my god, what's going on? 40 seconds. It's again reversed in the last seconds for now. Crazy. Okay, let's wait. It's 32 seconds. It's pretty close to our entry points. Oh my god, what's going on? What's going on today? It's crazy. You could see that we were in the plus, and now it's reversing again. What a hell? What a hell is going on? I didn't see the market that's crazy for a long time actually. And it's every time happening in the middle of the week, for example, like on the test trading session when we're trading all together, and boom, something like this happening. We already changed so many charts. Is the real market, for example. Crazy. Crazy. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait. It either, again, it was the same situation like before. If it's like this, it's crazy. Like, maybe the levels changed and now this is the support, this is the resistance. Oh my god, what's wrong with this candle? You can see this is so big. It's crazy. Oh my god. Okay. I gotta check out something, but the other currency pairs is even worse than this. Crazy. Here it could be like the good reversal, but at the same time, before it was so crazy here. It's not that great. Oh my god, and the second candle appearance is red again. The hell? Oh my god, that's crazy. And now it's reversing. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna open a trade up for 3 minutes here. Because if we're gonna change the chart again and everything, it can give us even more difficulties, because if every time changing the chart, um, we cannot predict the future movement of the chart a little bit more. Sometimes you can save a trade with a double up function. I did that often and saved some trades that went in the wrong direction. Yeah, that's true. I mean, if you feel it, if you already know the market really good, you can use that. I was using it sometimes as well. I mean, but I'm just not trying to, say that this is like really good. Oh guys, yes, use it, because you need to be really careful, and I want my subscribers to be really careful, because everything that I say, my subscribers after follow it, and after they're saying to me, oh, you were not right, it's actually not working for me and everything. So everything is working for everybody differently, so you can test it out, you can check it out, but if you're not sure, it's better not to use. It's better to be really careful. Now it's reversing a little bit, but we still have 1 minute and 55 seconds. The market today is crazy. Oh my god. We were trading in the premium like 1 hour ago. It was all great. But for now, it's because it's a lot of the people in the market as well. It's making a lot of the fluctuations. It's pretty good downward trend, as you can see. I think we're trading on this currency pair, remember? And again, as we can see, it's reversed in a downward direction. Crazy. And it went even lower. Wow. But the payout here is 75%, so it's not great. Okay, let's check it out. Let's check it out something else as well. It's pretty good upward trend, but I also don't like to trade when it's too long, the trend, because it can reverse at any second. Um, it's better to find something more consistent and confident. Crazy, no way about this chart. I'm in shock. I'm in shock. It was such a good start of the upward trend, and again, we faced the same situation. It's crazy. We still have 25 seconds, maybe, because the volatility kind of too much. Oh my gosh. Um, change to 4 minutes. We're gonna stay at the same currency pair because the other ones is not better, definitely. And here, down for 4 minutes. Okay, we're gonna follow the downward trend here then. Okay, and let's wait here. Well, then that's the fourth loss. Well, guys, as you can see, I'm showing you everything, how the market is actually behaving, and we're following everything. Like we're analyzing the market really good. We're following the trends or something, but still, boom, we just got some corrective candle or something else, or we don't have enough time, or more and more. And we already changed so many currency pairs. It's not about some exact currency pair; it's about the market today in general. So but of course, because I have a trading session for you, like if I will just say, oh no, guys, today we're not trading because the market is not that great, you will say to me, like, are you crazy? We want a trading session, of course. So that's why, of course, I'm still doing the trading session. But at the same time, guys, I'm always telling you that if you see that also the market is not that great for you today, if you feel like you want to stop, it's absolutely fine. If you feel like you want to trade on the demo account only, it's absolutely fine. So because I also, of course, I don't like the catch ups at all. And of course, it gives me the stress as well, and I want to make as less catch ups as possible. But sometimes, and like for example, I had a trading sessions recently when we just had one catch up only, two catch ups, or three catch ups maximum in all of the trading session. But sometimes something like this happened, of course. And I'm showing it to you, I'm not so scary or something to show it in the main channel, how it's actually happening sometimes. So yeah, but yeah, today the market is not the best, so that's why. Now it's reversing again. It's crazy, even though we still had the time till the support level here, and it was pretty strong already. Signal from the sellers, and this green can. Oh, again, it's falling, and now we're in the plus. So let's wait. That's why we took here 2 minutes as well. Here's a new candle up here on the chart. As you can see, here's also a big shadow on the candle here. Again, we're in the plus. As you can see, it's jumping so much. As you can see, it's not about the trading today. It's more about the market and volatility, and about the news as well. So yeah, as we can see, here's a really big upper week on the candle, showing that the buyers were trying to go higher, but they cannot, and they cannot break this level. So now that's why the big red candle appear on the chart again. As you can see, it's already minus 50 points. As you can see, it's going really crazy and jumping too much. So even 3 minutes was enough here actually, but we still have 55 seconds. As we can see, it's even breaking the previous support level already and going lower, pretty strong. So it's good that we took here more time. So that's what's happening, on the market sometimes. As you can see, it's moving really fast. 40 seconds. So let's wait. Today is bad, damn, since the morning. But things less stressful. I know, Olivia. Uh, but for example, in the premium, actually, today we were trading like 2 hours ago, 1 hour ago, something like this. And it was a little bit better. We also had some catch ups, but not that much. Mm. I lost all $50 every fucking time. Why you do this to me, Lisa? Well, it's still, as you can see, this trade we closed in the plus confidently, minus 61 points, and it was the fourth signal. So I'm always telling guys to divide the deposit. Oh, wait, I didn't send the. Here's a two because signals. need to divide the deposit into 5 steps. So that's how you will be able to close the trades in this kind of the situation, of course. And it's not happening all the times, actually. um, Really rare when we have this kind of the situation. So wait a second, I'm gonna give the signal and we're gonna talk again. We still have 4 minutes. Okay, perfect. So yeah, the payout already 82%. So you can see it's changing really much. So yeah, and I'm always saying to you guys also, you need to use 1% of your deposit. And if you have 1% of your deposit, you can use at least 5 catch-ups definitely. So that's how you can manage and make it in the end. At the same time, if you're really stressful and you don't want to use the catch-up fully, you can use, for example, if your first trade is $1, your next trade is going to be like $1, for example, again. So that's how you just cover your losses but not have a profit, as the idea of the catch up. I made more than 50 euros with Lisa today. It's not her fault. Thank you so much. Thank you. Might have to top again. That's the third time. What do you mean have to top again? So here is going pretty well, as you can see. It's already more confident here. And again, guys, I'm giving absolutely free signals that everybody can test. That's why I'm doing a test trading session. I'm not hiding anything. I'm always was telling about the catch-up system. I'm always was telling you about that trading is riskful. Need to be really careful. If you're not sure, in me, in my signals, in anything else, you can always trade on the demo account. Or for example, you can trade on this day, but you don't need to trade on the other day if you see that the market is not that great. For example, at the second trade, you see it as if it's not going great, you can always stop. I'm not forcing you to do this. I'm not saying you, oh no, you need to trade till the end. I'm always saying that it's absolutely free for you. You have the freedom to do anything you want. And I'm always trying to help you guys. I'm always trying to answer to all of your questions, even though not so many traders do that actually, and I'm doing it for free. So when I also read the comments about like, oh, again something happened and everything, but guys, you also need to understand that I cannot do anything with the market. Like, of course we can analyze it, and even if you're a trader with like 10 years experience, you still cannot analyze and predict the future movement of the chart for 100%. It's impossible. And the other people that say you otherwise, they're just lying, because they just want you to sell something. I don't sell anything. So that's why I don't have the idea of saying you, oh, I'm the best, I have the 100% profitability of trades and everything, because this is not true. It's not possible. If it was some indicator or AI bot or something else that exists was 100% profitability, we will all be billionaires, literally. But it's not like this. And that's why a lot of people that come to trading, they firstly think that this is really easy and like you're gonna be a millionaire like 1 month. But after they quit it because they were having some vision of that was not true, because of some traders and everything that said them so. And after they just break their pink glasses, that's how we say some kind of the phrase like this. So need to be really realistic here. It's the same work, it's the same job, and it's even more difficult here than some other ones. Of course, at the same time, here you have more possibilities because you can learn by yourself, you can do something by yourself, learn some strategies and everything. But it all also depends on you. That's why, I'm doing the trading session every day and I'm teaching you. I'm doing the videos on the YouTube. I'm doing my content on Telegram to teach you how to do it. So by yourself, you can also trade and you can understand the market and not just, blindly follow the signals, just like not knowing anything. So this is the thing. And if you are, I don't know, if you don't want to get some no knowledges and everything, and you just want to follow someone, maybe it's not just for you. I want to be able to trade tomorrow Friday around this time. That's the sad part. But we have a lot of the trading you only in the VIP club or you're in premium as well? If you're in premium, I do the trading sessions there 2 hours earlier than in the VIP club. Maybe you will be able to do that. So here we close the trade in the plus. Perfect, minus 11 points here, guys. Let's change to 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Oh my god, it's going so much in the downward direction. It's crazy. Okay, be ready. Down for 3 minutes. Okay, we open a trade here. I'm gonna check it out your indicator. Is there a group chat or WhatsApp group where we can talk to each other and discuss strategies? You mean to each other between everybody? I'm thinking actually to open the chat in the Telegram, guys, if you want to. I think it would be good, like to make the comments open because I never did just because it was a lot of the spam and bots and everything. Like it was a lot of people that texting. Like I was doing it one time and a lot of people was like advertising some kind of the things and everything, and I needed to delete some of the comments. It was taking so much time, so I don't know. That's why now I don't have the comments because it was just a lot of people commenting that was advertising some scam and everything or something even worse. So yeah, can you review my trades? You can text, yeah, you can send it to me in the private messages in Telegram. I think you need to trade more in the real market and not. Oh, now we're trading on the real market, as you can see. And before it was not that great. We were trading on the real market all of the last 30 minutes or something. From here, we're trading on the Swiss franc and Japanese yen, and here we had kind of a lot of the catch ups because of all of these fluctuations. It's not giving you the guarantee that the real market is gonna be much more easier. Definitely. You're very right, Lisa. Being realistic is everything. If you don't know how to use proper risk management, then you should not be trading. That's true. Unfortunately, like I don't want to be rude or something, guys. I'm always like trying to explain everything as simpler and as soft as possible, but at the same time I cannot do anything if I'm saying every day in every trading session, I'm saying to everybody, please use 1% of your deposit. And after somebody is texting me, oh, I lost all of the deposit, I was like, okay, how much money you used per trade? And find out that this person had only $50 on their balance and he was using $10 per trade. Can you imagine? Like it's so much. It's so much. Uh it's not 1% at all, right? So I'm saying, okay, did you know about the rule that we're using only 1% of the deposit? Because I'm texting it before every trading session. He was like, yeah, I knew that about that, but I just wanted to make more profit, so that's why I used $10 per trade when I had just 50. And I was like, but do you understand what was the mistake? And he's like, yeah, of course I understand, but I don't know what to do. And I was like, damn, just please, just follow the rules, because this rules was created because of others people's mistakes, also my mistakes as well. Before I was also like this. I was like, okay, it doesn't matter, I'm the luckiest one, I'm the smartest one, everything is on my side, market is on my side, so everything is gonna be great. And after, of course, it was not great at all. So okay, guys, we close this trade in a plus. Okay, it was not the easiest today trading session, definitely minus 2 points here, but we closed all of the last trades in the plus of the last three one. So I'm gonna send also the balance after trading. We made like $80. I think is pretty good. But it's just also because of the catch up. Balance before trading session. Whew. But yeah, guys. Now we can rest a little bit. Oh, not before, after trading session. Sorry. Wait a second. Let me change it real quick. So we already had today the trading session in the premium VIP club channel, here in the main channel as well, and now we can rest a little bit, and we will continue tomorrow. Yeah, now it's a lot of the news in the US, so that's why it's creating so many fluctuations in the market, but we're trying to handle it as much as possible. How are you doing today? I didn't. I can understand why you closed the comments. It's stress, all the negative comments and energy. Well, it was actually like, I always have the open comments in the YouTube and everything, and I have different comments there, but I'm never deleting anything. But when I was opening the comments in Telegram, it was like on every post. Can you imagine, like on every post it was so many comments and people was advertising like really bad thing. It's not only the scam, I think you understand what I mean. Like people was advertising so many crazy things, and I was like, oh my god, this is so bad, because I understand that a lot of people see that. And so it was not about the negative or something, it's about the ads and scam and everything. And also when my subscribers was texting them, other people was texting to my subscribers trying to scam them. So it's like it's really difficult. So that's why I don't have my comments open now. But I'm thinking to do this, but maybe something more closer so you can talk between each other. Um, like for example, for only premium subscribers or something. So that's how not any like other scammers can join it. Thanks and all the best, Lisa. Thank you so much too. The link to Telegram, you can find it in the description of this video. You impressed me. You have no indicators. How do you spot a breakthrough with the eye reversal? Give us your strategy. What do you look for? Well, it's kind of easy. I'm also using the lines as you can see, but actually I draw it just for you because I can see it already by myself without any like lines or something, and it's just the practice and the experience actually. And I'm explaining this in the videos, and I'm explaining it always in my training sessions, so I'm definitely gonna make something about that. um so yeah, so guys, thank you so much. We gonna finish for now. If you have any questions, you can always text me in the private messages. You can find my Telegram here in the, here it is, Trader Lisa Not Bot. This is my only contacts. So yeah, and remember that I don't take any money from my subscribers or something. If somebody is texting you like with my photos or name and selling you something, this is not me. My VIP club is free. Premium VIP club is also free. Everything. So don't be